You want to apply to the UPC at UCL? Great! There are 4 steps you'll need to follow. Step 1. Online application. The first thing you'll need to do is to make an application on the UPC website. Make sure you complete the application form fully, including a personal statement. You'll also need to upload all the required documents, such as your high school transcripts and the results from a recent English language test. To find out which English language test you need to take and the other documents you need to upload, please check our website. When you've completed Step 1, you'll need to pay the application fee online. Step 2. Entrance tests. If you're a suitable candidate, you will be selected to sit entrance tests in the subject areas relevant to the UPC subjects you've chosen. You can find practice tests on our website. It's a good idea to see how you do in these before you take your entrance tests. You'll need 50% or above to be considered for the next step of the process. Step 3. Interviews. You will be interviewed online by a UPC admissions tutor. This interview is a chance for us to assess your suitability for the course and for you to ask any questions you may have. Step 4. Offer. If you are successful after the interview, we'll send you a formal offer of a place on the UPC course. You'll then be required to pay the first instalment of your tuition fee to reserve your place. We'll then issue you with a student number which you can use to apply for UCL accommodation. Once you've paid the full tuition fee, we'll confirm your place. And that's it. 4 steps to a place on the UPC. You can find out more about each of these steps and all the important dates you need on our website ucl.ac.uk/UPC. Start your journey.